Hello Einstein, I will not be meeting you on Monday and on Tuesday, but I have provided an activity for you. Si Ma'am Dal na ang bahala sa inyo, and please follow the instructions on the activity sheet. Ito na yung setup natin. Ayan, naka-ready na yan lahat. So, para dito sa setup natin, so meron ditong 8 different solutions. Ayan, so you are going to test their acidity. Ayan, and then ito ang activity sheet. Ayan. So, meron tayong different solutions. So, para guided kayo, turo ko muna sa inyo kung paano gumamit nito. Okay, so this is a pH tester. So, per group, kukuha lang kayo ng 8 pieces nito. Ayan, pwedeng sinong humawak, kung sino mang members ang may gusto. Ayan, by group ito ha. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, mauuna ang group 1. So, this is a pH tester. Meron ditong kulay. And then, isasawsaw natin sa solution. After that, magbabago ang kanyang kulay. And i-compare natin dito. Ayan. And then, baliktad pala. Ayan. And then, kung alin yung pinakakulay niya, may numbers din. Ibig sabihin, yun yung kanyang pH. Okay, so let us have an example. So this is an unknown solution. Hindi to kasali dun sa setup nyo. Okay, take note of the color. Ayan, mabilis lang. Ganun lang. So ito na yung kanyang kulay. And then, i-compare natin kung alin ang pinakang malapit. Ayan, wait lang. Kapag medyo malabo yung print nito or naiiba ng kulay, pwede tayo mag-refer dito. Okay, dun sa actual na nasa pH tester. So in this case, ilan bang kakulay? Okay, so I can see that ang pinakakakulay niya is tumapat sa number 4. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang pH nitong solution nito is 4. And then on the activity sheet, meron tayo ditong table. You are going to identify whether the solution is acid, base, or neutral. So, paano malalaman? So, we have the guide. 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 is neutral, and 8 to 14 is basic. Okay, so yun lang. Good luck with your activity.